Hello everyone, I am Ankita and I am working as an SAP tester since last 5 years. And based on my personal interest, I started doing web automation and that's when I came across XPath and later on I switched to SelectorsHub. So today I'm going to share few points for SelectorsHub which made me think that it is one of the best tools right now in the market. So let's start. The first thing about Selector Hub is that it helps locate XPath, CSS selectors, and SVG elements, which I believe is a cool concept. And when you are trying to write XPath, it auto suggests each and every possible ways to write that XPath, like possible attributes and everything. And if you are trying to customize and write your own XPath, and if there is something wrong, it shows an error message and it shows possible ways to correct it. So I believe that's a huge help for beginner level practitioner like me. And Selectors Hub actually supports iframe and shadow DOM on a huge level. So that's a huge advantage to an automation tester. And there are two main features I actually love about Selectors Hub. One is the debugging part. So there is only one button which you can click and start debugging right away. So it will help you relocate your element and help you align it accordingly. So that made things easier. And another feature is about recording. So just by clicking on a single button, you can start automating things and the code will be automatically written there. And there is a simple option to copy the whole thing from there and you can paste it in your code and execute it thoroughly. So that made things a lot easier and less time consuming. And along with that, I just love the user friendliness in Selectors Hub. So there is no such complexities. Wherever you are going, you get possible options to handle it everywhere. So yes, I love it, and I would like to suggest every tester to use Selectors Hub for your web automation. And lastly, I would like to thank Sanjay for such innovation and for giving me this opportunity today to share my experience. Thank you.